Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, I'm going to help you get started on your solving ratios homework. I'm going to do 3, 5, and 8 with you, okay? But also, I would like it if you would try them yourself first, and then come back and join us and see how you did. So first off, pause the video, okay? Try it, and now that you're back with us, let's see how you did. I'm actually going to do 5 first, and then I'll come back and do 3 last. So this one says Mason makes superhero and princess costumes. The ratio of the costumes is shown in the tape diagram below. If the total number of costumes is 56, then what is the actual number of superhero and princess costumes? Okay, so like the total number of boxes would equal like 56. So there's 2 that are princess, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are superhero. Okay, so that's a total of how many boxes? Okay, there's 7 total boxes, right? Well, 7 times what is equal to the total of 56? Yeah, hopefully you said 8. Okay, so each box is worth 8. Now let's logic through that again. Okay, so the total amount of costumes is 56, right? So all these boxes together need to equal 56. So I was like, okay, if there's 7 total boxes, 7 times what is equal to 56? Because that'll tell me how much each box is worth. And then that's how I got the 8. Okay, now that's still not answering the question. I just needed to figure out how much each box was worth first. Now they're like, okay, then how many princess costumes are there? Well, if there's 2 boxes and each box is worth 8, 8 and 8, or 2 times 8 is 16 princess costumes. And they also want to know how many of them are superhero. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes here that are each worth 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. So there's 40 superhero costumes. If you got that right, good job. Sometimes they want you to try to like actually draw it yourself. So that's what you would do here. And for this one, number 8 that I want you guys to try. Okay, this one says Coach Jacobs had 6 more girls than boys sign up for the swim team. If the ratio of boys to girls that signed up was 5 to 7, then how many boys signed up and how many girls signed up? Okay, so they said the ratio of boys, so the first number is boys, to girls, so the second number is talking about the girls. So girls, there was a ratio of 7, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. And for boys, they said that ratio was 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes to represent the ratio for boys. Okay, and like there's a difference of 2, right? So 2 more boxes for the girls than the boys. What do I do now? Well, it says 6 more girls than boys sign up. So there is more boxes, right? And these total boxes, the boxes of more, represent 6. So if this part right here that represents the more girls than boys is equal to 6, then how much is each box worth? Well, 2 boxes times what value gives you a total of 6? Yeah, times 3. So that's how I figure out that each box is worth 3 points or 3 people. Then they wanted to know, okay, so how many boys signed up? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We said 5 boxes, and each box is worth 3. So how many boys? That's right, 15. And how many total boxes for girls are there? There was 7 total boxes, right? And each box is worth 3. So how many total girls signed up? You guessed it, 21. That was pretty tricky, huh? Okay, if they already provide the tape diagram, of course, use it. If it's a problem like this where it's like there's 6 more girls than boys and da-da-da, like it's actually a lot easier to use a tape diagram. But if it's just a basic, normal ratio problem and they don't give you a tape diagram, why not just set it up like a normal proportion? Okay, so for this one, it says you have 5 pineapples for $12. So you're comparing pineapples and money. Okay. And they want to know if you have $12 for 5 pineapples, then how many pineapples? Okay, so we don't know the amount of pineapples. And when you don't know something, what do? Yeah, you represent it with your variable, your unknown, right? Then how many pineapples can he buy with 96 bucks? So that 96 is going to go in the denominator because that's where I chose to put the money. Now, in order to solve for this, always go towards the direction of your unknown. So we're going to go this way. And then just ask yourself, 12 times what is 96? Yeah, 8. So then do the same thing here, times 8. What's 5 times 8? 40. So if you spent 96 bucks, that means you bought 40 pineapples, because that's what we were solving for, right? My unknown was a number of pineapples. And there you go. I mean, we could have done this with a tape diagram if you wanted, but you don't always have to. You're always welcome to solve a proportion if it lends it to itself. All right, my little mathematicians, you go ahead and finish this page. You got it.